Hello, I'm David from TradeNation, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to place an order on a chart. We've got our trading platform up and running, and you can see a list of the popular markets here. And it just so happens that the market that I'm looking to put an order on today is the US 500, which is in the popular markets. Now, this is an index based on the S&P 500 of some of the biggest shares in the United States. If we scroll along here, we can see the current selling and buying prices. We can see the change on the day. We can see the low, the high. We've got a trade button, an order button, an alert button, but here we have the chart button. If I click on this, a chart of the S&P pops up, and then I can expand that, and I've done that already here. Here you can see the hourly chart of the S&P. As I say, if you're anything like me, that when you are looking to make a trade, it's more likely to be from a chart. So over here in the top right, if we click here, we get a trade and order button. So you can make a trade straight from here just by going in, putting in your stake, selling and buying. But we don't want to do this. I want to leave an order. I think the S&P, the US 500 is going to go higher today, but I'm looking for a pullback first. So I'm looking for it to fall back a bit, and then I will have a better buying opportunity. So I'm going to choose my stake. First of all, you do that here. You can do that by moving the arrows up or down, or by typing in an amount yourself. I am just going to stick to a small trade of $1 or euros or pounds, but in my case this is $1 per point of the US 500. Then it's a question of choosing my order level. Well, we're trading here, as the chart's saying, at around 28.10. I would like to buy the US 500 if it gets back down to 2800. So I'm going to type in 2800 here. Then it's just a question of putting in the direction of the trade. In this case, I'm buying below where the market's currently trading. I'm trying to buy below where the current market is. And so I click on the buy button here. And I immediately get confirmation of my order. Now, I'll just take you over it rather than dwell on that. Let's take us back to the screen. Move me up a bit. And then if I scroll back and go to opening orders, I'm immediately told what I'm working on. So in my opening orders, I'm on the US 500. I'm looking to buy $1 a point at a limit price of 2800. Now, this is good till cancelled. In other words, this order will run on unless I come in and cancel it or until it's filled. You can see where the current price is here at 28.10 or thereabouts. The order was placed on the 24th of April and at 12.19. Two buttons over here. The first one is an amend. I can click on here. I can bring up my ticket and I can change my order level. As long as this market hasn't been hit, as long as that order hadn't been hit, then I can change that up or down. In this case, I'm just going to alter it to 27.90, a little bit below, and submit. Ticket confirming that comes up, and indeed you can see the limit level has changed here in my open orders. The button over here, if I click on here, I can choose to, by pressing confirm, to cancel the order completely, as long as my order hasn't been triggered, or I can say, well, no, actually, let's keep it as it is. So there you have it. That's placing an order from a chart. Hope that's been helpful. To make sure you keep up to date with everything that's going on at TradeNation, please go to our YouTube channel and click on subscribe. In the meantime, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching and best of luck with all your trading.